I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. You've poured your heart and soul into building your business. You've sacrificed, hustled, and taken risks. Now, it's time to protect what you've created. As an owner-operator, incorporating as an LLC is not just a smart business move, it's essential. An LLC, or limited liability company, provides a crucial layer of protection between your personal assets and your business operations. This means that your personal savings, home, and other assets are shielded from business debts and lawsuits. This peace of mind is priceless, allowing you to focus on what matters most: growing your business. Think of an LLC as your business partner, one that safeguards your future and empowers you to take calculated risks. It's a clear sign to the world that you're serious about your business and committed to its long-term success. Don't leave your future to chance. Check out the link in the description box below. Take control by forming an LLC. It's one of the smartest investments you can make in yourself and your business. Forming an LLC comes with a wide array of benefits, each designed to empower your growth and provide financial security. These benefits extend beyond simply separating your personal and business assets. They encompass legal protection, tax advantages, and an enhanced professional image, all of which contribute to a more robust and successful business. Let's dive deeper into each of these advantages, understanding how they can positively impact your journey as an owner-operator. By recognizing the value an LLC brings to the table, you can make an informed decision that sets your business up for lasting success. One of the most significant advantages of an LLC is the legal protection it provides. This protection, known as limited liability, safeguards your personal assets from business debts, lawsuits, and other financial obligations. Imagine this scenario. Your business faces an unexpected lawsuit. Without the protection of an LLC, your personal assets, your home, savings, and investments are all at risk. However, with an LLC, your personal assets are shielded. This separation between your personal and business liabilities offers invaluable peace of mind. You can pursue growth opportunities knowing that your personal assets are protected. This safety net allows you to take calculated risks and focus on growing your business without constant fear of personal financial devastation. The legal protection offered by an LLC is not just a safety net, it's a launchpad for confident and strategic decision-making. An LLC offers significant tax advantages compared to other business structures. These advantages can result in substantial savings, giving you more capital to reinvest in your business. LLCs enjoy pass-through taxation. This means that business profits and losses are passed through the business to the owner's personal income tax returns. This eliminates the double taxation that corporations face, where profits are taxed at both the corporate level and again on the owner's personal returns. With an LLC, you avoid this double taxation, keeping more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Additionally, LLCs offer flexibility in choosing how you want to be taxed. You can opt to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or even an S corporation, depending on what's most beneficial for your specific financial situation. This tax flexibility, combined with pass-through taxation, makes an LLC a highly tax-efficient business structure for owner-operators. Building your brand. Establishing a professional image. Forming an LLC goes beyond legal and financial benefits. It also enhances your business's credibility and professional image. In the business world, perception is everything. When you operate as an LLC, you project an image of professionalism and legitimacy. This is particularly important for owner-operators who often interact directly with clients and customers. An LLC structure demonstrates that you're serious about your business and committed to its long-term success. It instills confidence in your clients and partners, making them more likely to trust you and your services. This enhanced credibility can give you a competitive edge, attracting more clients and opening doors to new opportunities. By establishing a professional image from the outset, you set the stage for sustainable growth and lasting success. Making your business official, a step-by-step guide to LLC formation. Forming an LLC may seem daunting, but it's actually a straightforward process. By following these simple steps, you can establish your LLC and start reaping the benefits. 1. Choose a business name. Select a unique and memorable name for your LLC. Ensure the name is available in your state and complies with naming regulations. 2. File articles of organization. File your articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This document outlines basic information about your LLC, such as your business name, address, and registered agent. 3. Create an operating agreement. Draft an operating agreement that outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures of your LLC. 4. Apply for an EIN. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is essential for tax purposes and opening business bank accounts. By following these steps diligently, you can navigate the LLC formation process with ease and confidence. Remember, seeking professional guidance from a business attorney or formation service can streamline the process and ensure compliance with all legal requirements. Picking the perfect name. Choosing and registering your business name. Your business name is your brand identity. It's the first thing customers and clients will recognize, so it's crucial to choose a name that is both memorable and reflects your brand values. When selecting a name, consider your target audience, industry, and the services you provide. Conduct thorough research to ensure the name is not already in use by another business in your state. Once you've chosen a name, you'll need to check its availability with your state's Secretary of State office. This can typically be done online through their website. Once you've confirmed the name is available, you can register it with the state. This ensures that no other business in your state can operate under the same name. Remember, your business name is a valuable asset. Choose wisely, protect it legally, and let it represent the quality and professionalism of your brand. Laying the groundwork. Filing your articles of organization. Filing articles of organization is a crucial step in the LLC formation process. This document officially establishes your LLC as a legal business entity in your state. Think of your articles of organization as your business's birth certificate. It outlines essential information about your LLC, such as your business name, address, registered agent, and business purpose. The registered agent is an individual or entity authorized to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. This could be you, a business partner, or a third-party registered agent service. You'll need to file your articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State office, typically along with a filing fee. The filing process and requirements vary by state, so it's essential to check with your state's specific guidelines. Once your articles of organization are approved, your LLC is officially formed, and you can begin operating your business under its legal protection. Setting the rules. Creating a comprehensive operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures of your LLC. While not always legally required, it's highly recommended to have an operating agreement in place. This document acts as a roadmap for your business, clearly defining the roles and responsibilities of each LLC member. Your operating agreement should address key areas, including ownership percentages, specifying the percentage of ownership each member holds in the LLC, management structure, determining whether the LLC will be member-managed or manager-managed, profit and loss distribution, outlining how profits and losses will be allocated among members, and the decision-making process, establishing procedures for making key business decisions. A well-drafted operating agreement is essential for preventing misunderstandings and disputes among LLC members. It ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding the business's operations and decision-making processes. Getting your financial house in order. Obtaining your EIN with Bizee. An Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. It's essentially a social security number for your business. You'll need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and apply for business licenses and permits. Obtaining an EIN is a straightforward process that can be done online through the IRS website. However, if you'd like to simplify the process and ensure accuracy, consider using a reputable service provider like Bizee. Bizee specializes in streamlining business formation services, including EIN applications. check out the link in the description box below. Their team of experts can handle the entire process for you, ensuring your EIN is obtained quickly and correctly. By entrusting Bizee with your EIN application, you can focus on what matters most: launching and growing your business. Ready, set, grow. Your LLC journey starts today. Forming an LLC is an investment in yourself and the future of your business. It provides the legal protection, tax advantages, and credibility you need to thrive in today's competitive market. Remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Services like Bizee are available to guide you through the process, ensuring a smooth and successful LLC formation. Take action today. Protect your hard work, maximize your earnings, and establish a professional presence that commands respect. Your LLC journey starts now.